Okay guys, I'm going to show you when couponing goes wrong at Walgreens. Okay, my first transaction, I was doing the spend 20, get 10 on the Shea Moisture, and I only had four products, but the price that they had on the shelf and what they was ringing up was different, and my $10 register reward would not print out. So she had to do a refund, and that includes my digitals because I had a $3 digital off of two and a $3 off of that. So she put it all in one. Now I'm going to show you the correct way. Okay, this is what I had to go and get two additional items because they on clearance and they ringing up different price. So I had to go get these two to add to this transaction. And I'm going to show you my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt for the body cream, $3.49. For the bar, Revive Bar, $2.79. The Shea Moisture Body Scrub, $3.29. The Shea Moisture Other Scrub, $3.99. And the two bars, $6 a piece, so that made it $12. That brought my total to $18.56 after I wrote at $7 from last week until this week. And then the $15.71 that she had to refund, that include my digitals. I used that, and it made me pay $4.91 out of pocket. Guess what I got back? My $10 register rewards. So I got back the $10 register rewards, plus I had a digital spend 20, earn 5, and I got that also, which made this free plus a moneymaker. So lesson well learned. Whenever it comes to Walgreens couponing, for me, just for me, I will wait after Sunday because this was a hiccup and it was so many problems. She had to do void after void, and it was crazy, fam. So whenever it's come to couponing, I always know it's going to be some problems, especially that first day. But I was going to roll this into my next transaction, which was this right here. I got two Dons for $1.24 each. The nice water, and I got some trash bags, and that came up to $13.46. And I was going to roll this $10 register reward onto this transaction, but it wouldn't scan. It would not scan. So I end up just rolling $5 in WAX points and paying the $9.77 out of pocket. But if I had been able to roll this, I would then have got this transaction here for free. Problems, problems, problems. But it's a lesson well learned. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. And if you keep on today, let me know if you ran into any problems. Until the next video, fam, y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.